Hi, Byron Hudtloff here with the Platinum Real Estate Group at RE/MAX Realty Center, and today we are in the North Springbrook community of Silver Spring, Maryland, and I'm excited to be showing you my brand new listing, which is a split foyer home that features 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths with over 2,100 square feet of living space on 2 finished levels. The entire home has been freshly painted. You'll find beautiful hardwood floors, a lower level rec room, a carport, and this immaculate, professionally landscaped yard with flowers and trees that seem to bloom all year round. The house itself is ideally located just off New Hampshire Avenue with easy access via Randolph Rd to the Glenmont Metro Station. You've also got all the great shops and restaurants located just around the corner, including a Giant Food and Lido Pizza. If you're commuting, you can just hop on New Hampshire Avenue and hit Colesville Rd to the Capital Beltway and downtown Silver Spring in just a few moments. Right now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home.
Stepping in the front door of this classic split-level 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, there are stairs to the main and lower levels. Up the stairs, you'll notice the hardwood floors throughout most of the main level. To the left of the foyer are 2 bedrooms, a full bath with a tub shower combo, and the primary bedroom with plush neutral carpet, ceiling fan, and ensuite bath. To the right of the foyer is the spacious living room with a large bay window with bench letting in lots of natural light. Off the living room is the formal dining room with crown and chair rail molding and access to your carport. From the dining room, you enter the updated eat-in kitchen with tile floor, granite counters, smooth top electric range, built-in microwave, and plenty of cabinet space. There's also a peninsula with additional cabinets and the breakfast area. Now, let's check out the lower level. At the bottom of the stairs to the left is the 4th bedroom with ensuite bath, and the huge laundry, utility, and storage area. To the right of the stairs is the large family room with a gas fireplace and hearth, and a walkout to your rear deck and gorgeously landscaped yard. A beautiful spot for entertaining family and friends.
Couldn't you just see yourself relaxing on that rear deck, enjoying that beautifully landscaped rear yard? Again, this home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, over 2,100 square feet of living space, and it's move-in ready. For more information, for the photos, floor plans, 3D tour, and video, you can visit 13116andrew.com. If you'd like any more information about this home, or if you'd like to schedule your own personal tour, give me a call at 301-979-7050.